Hello and welcome back. Let's make here on print line. Print here. It will print welcome message here. I will make this suppose like this. Welcome to Hero Supermall. And we will make this. Sorry, here no outside this braces. Make this and this. Let's erase this for some line, and it will see like this. So this is like this. If we run this in window, it will look like this. This is how we can make this. And now after it say no, then we have to terminate this loop and go to our work that is on back, that should be do on background. Now I should make this line here to get I should define here. I have cart here already in the super global value. Now I should make the product names separately here. Let's make that product name separate. No, it is no need to make. First of all, we have to calculate total amount. Now define total payable, and we should not need anything here. Now we can make here total payable is equal to, we can make amount is equal to, we can make this total payable here like this. How can we make this? Here we will first make n is equal to len dot cart. It will find the length of that cart, how many items as listed. For I in range, I will make this n, and when we pass that amount, I will make amount is equal to 0 here, because we have to pass this super global here. Amount is equal to 0. No, this is not, no need to find amount. Let's make it amount here. Amount is equal to, no, I don't think we have to make this. I will make here this. We will call this later. For this I will make amount plus is equal to this. I have already told there. I will make this amount is equal to simply amount plus, or is our product list cart, and I have to pass first element as I means, and second element is, this should be, I think, where our, let's see the file, amount in 0 1 2 3, third position, we have to pass third here, and this should be in the integer value. Let's make. Now here we will find amount is equal to, here we have to return this, return amount. After that we will get here total payable. Let's see if we have get this total payable. We should print it. Now I will print total ABL payable is equal to, I will pass here 12 and dot format. I will pass here one variable that is called amount. It should not give me error. Let's see. Here I should pass here 1002 and again I will scan it, so we will add 2 value here, 2. Again I have insert that value. No, it is giving me this value is not format. We will make that value, I think this is like this or something like this. I will look that later. Let's print this, only this. We first of all we are going to give focus on our main program, then we will make this looking attractive also. In case I will make no, then it should give me here it's a literal value for cart, because this should be in point. No, we should make it in float. Sorry, this is in float. 0.0 we cannot make this in int. It will take only integer part. We don't want that, so because the value of 0.5 is too much here. I will make no, it should give me total payable is equal to 3.5. now we should make again while loop for here. While loop, while I will make here does not equal to 0 due does not equal to 0, and we should pass due is equal to amount here, because amount is due what we have get. I will get what I should get money. I should accept pay is equal to, I will say float input here enter amount paid, and here if we get this due, no, it should be less than or equal to 0, while due does not equal or less than 0, this should be run. No, we should make this greater than 0, it should be minus also. Due is equal to due minus pay. Let's see, it should run up to when we pay full amount. I will create 1001, then S and 1002. I will make this no, I will pay here 2 rupees. It should make me again, we have to print here due again, total payable due. So this should be here, this should be here, and we should pass here due. total we will say due. Let's run it again and see that I will say 1001, then 1003. No, this is y. 1003. I will not add more, it is not in list. I will say 1002, as this is in list. I will make 10042 here, 4, and let's make no, it is giving me 5. I will pay only 1. First of all, due is 4.5, now it is 3.5. I'll enter 4 here, it is terminated here. This is how we can add due amount here, and we are getting this due amount here. We will do more in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in next video of this series.